All rise. Support court with Judge Van Der Bee is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB1072, Wilson case.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Wilson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, I have a son named Tanner Wilson, and he has a daughter with Nikki. And Tanner is in the military. Nikki is off at school, but she's not helping do anything. I've been raising their child for the past 6 months, so I'm not getting any help or assistance or anything from her. Okay. So I need some type of child support from her.
And where is Tanner?
Tanner's in the military.
Oh, he's
in the military.
So when you say he's in the military, he's away in the military?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. All right. And Nikki, does she visit with the child? Does she bring you any groceries?
She doesn't do anything. I mean, she went off to school. She's in New York, so she'll come home sometimes and get her on, breaks or something. But half the time when she's home on breaks, I don't even know she's home.
Oh, wow.
So she doesn't really do much of anything for Sterling.
So she will come into town and not see her child?
Yes.
How old is Sterling?
She's 2.
Hold up. So grandma's been footing the bill, raising the child, and handling everything alone while both parents are off doing their own thing? And mom hasn't contributed a dime? That's not just irresponsible, it's a legal disaster waiting to happen. Here's the deal. Child support is a legal obligation, not a favor. If a parent isn't pulling their weight, the court will step in, and that's exactly what's about to happen. What do you think? Should mom be held financially accountable, or does her full-time student status excuse her? Let's talk in the comments.
2 years old. Does she go to daycare or anything?
Yeah, she goes to daycare, and I pay for all of that.
How much is daycare?
Oh gosh, $200 a week.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is pretty expensive.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to Miss Nikki?
I just, see her on all these TikTok videos and on Facebook where she's partying and clubbing. I mean, I get it. You're in college and you want to have fun, but don't forget that you have a responsibility. Okay. You still have a child at home that needs you. A mother needs some help. And
I agree with that.
Yeah, she's just not being a good mom right now.
Okay. All right. Miss Nikki, why are you not being a good mom?
It's not that I'm not being a good mom. It's just that I'm in school full time.
Okay.
And
so being in school full time means you can't be a mom?
Well, I'm away at school. So on my breaks, I go home.
Away at school means you cannot be a good mom?
I am a good mom. I am going to school full time. The point is when I got pregnant, I didn't want to have a child. I was in school. I didn't want that for myself.
Okay, but the baby is here now.
She is.
She's 2. So besides going to school, what else do you have that defines you as a good mom?
I mean, I do what I can.
As in what?
As in,
she just said
she's here
that,
now.
Excuse me. She just said that you are not providing any financial information and you barely come to visit the child when you're in town.
She says she didn't want this child, so she thinks she can opt out of responsibility. That's not how parenthood works. Whether planned or not, both parents share equal responsibility when a child is born, and the judge isn't here for excuses. Think about it. If the roles were reversed and the dad said this, would we even be having this conversation? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
When I got pregnant, I did not want a baby. She was like, I wanted a granddaughter. And I was like, I'm sorry, I don't.
Oh, I get it. So because you didn't want Sterling and she did,
we had a whole agreement before this. She was like, I'll take care of her. I wanted another child.
Right, she will take care of her. I don't believe she thought that she was going to be raising another child on her own. Am I right about that?
Yes.
She is a grandmother.
This conversation. I'm in school full time. I told her I can't.
How long do you have left in school?
I have a year left.
So Sterling is going to be with her another year, and then another year and another year. She's just going to raise the baby.
No, I will have a job by then. I'll be working.
Okay.
She's 2. She won't remember any of this.
I'm just going to play like you did not say that.
She won't. I mean, I when I go home, I see her, we FaceTime, all of that.
You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I'm not. I mean, I don't understand.
I mean, I don't understand either, because you said as I was saying and you still haven't said anything.
I said what I had to say. I'm in school full time. What do I do?
Take care of your child? You can.
I do the best that I can.
Okay. So is it true what she said about you being on social media, going to clubs and all that kind of stuff?
Yes, I am a influencer. So I try to get
brand deals. Hold on. You said you're in school full time, you don't work?
Correct.
But influencers get paid.
I haven't gotten paid in a while.
Come on, make it make sense.
I haven't gotten paid in a while.
But you get paid?
Yes.
And you can send money for sterling, right?
Yes, and I do.
And you don't.
She's all over social media partying and claiming to be an influencer, yet she's not financially supporting her own child. The judge just caught her in a major contradiction. If she can make money online, she can contribute, even if her income is inconsistent. Here's the hard truth: child support isn't optional. Legally, if someone can work and earn, they can be ordered to pay based on their potential income. There's no escaping responsibility. What do you think? Let's discuss in the comments.
That's not what she just said. Okay. So is she being untruthful?
I do what I can. I am in school full time. I don't know what else. This is so crazy to me, like why we're right here right now, because
we're here right now because grandmother needs some financial assistance for her child.
This life. Grandmother chose the life.
You know what?
I didn't choose this life. However, I love my daughter to pieces. I don't regret anything. However, I would have liked to wait.
So grandmother chose this life.
Yes, grandmother wanted to take care of her. It's okay, I'll take care of her while you're in school. And all of a sudden something changed, which is why we're sitting here now.
Can you believe this?
I really can't. I mean, I expected you to help at least. Of course, I'm not going to.
I have a year left. I do what I can.
So Sterling is a year left of her taking care of your daughter. You and Tanner's daughter.
This is what you wanted.
But I thought you were going to help.
You were going to take care of her.
I thought you were going to still be a good mom to
Nikki,
Sterling.
You are so unbelievable right now. You are the mom. She is the grandmother.
Exactly.
What part of that don't you understand?
I understand all of it. We had a whole agreement that she would raise the child until I was out of school. So when I come home, I do see my child. I do.
Barely.
You know what?
But I don't know what changed. I don't know if she got a little boyfriend or something.
What difference would it make if she had a boyfriend? That is none of your business.
She chose this life.
Excuse me.
I could have waited.
You chose this life. You had the child with Tanner. Miss Wilson, Miss or Mrs.? I'm sorry. Miss Wilson did not have the child. You did. The child is your responsibility, not grandmother's. Whether she wanted a grandchild or not. I know a lot of grandparents that say, oh, when are you going to have me a grandchild? I want a grandchild. They never anticipate that phrase to mean I 100% am taking care of the child. You are unbelievable right now.
I'm not. I'm really not.
You really are.
No.
So you know what? What we're going to go ahead and do is get Miss Wilson the proper financial support that she needs to take care of your daughter.
The judge just said what everyone was thinking. This isn't grandma's responsibility. Yet, the mother acts like she's doing the world a favor by showing up occasionally. Here's the reality check. A grandparent helping out is not the same as a parent stepping up. The law is crystal clear. If you're a parent, you're financially and legally responsible for your child. And this judge isn't letting her walk out of the courtroom without paying her fair share. What do you think? Fair ruling or long overdue? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
So you understand that, let me repeat it again, your daughter. So you don't walk out of this courtroom believing that someone else has the obligation of taking care of your child. She does not have to step in and do anything.
She does not, but she's
doing
to.
it. She's
so don't complain about it now. Don't complain about it now.
Well, you know what?
To do this.
I don't need you to complain about these numbers when I read them off to you, okay? So, Miss Wilson, Tanner, You say he's in the military. Do you know how much money he makes?
I don't know how much he makes.
Okay. Health insurance. I know typically they have decent health insurance in the military. Do you have any idea of how much that costs?
About 108. Tanner takes care of that part.
Okay. Tanner takes care of that. So let me just make sure I make a note of that. All right. And mom doesn't do anything.
Nothing.
Okay. And you said that 6 months the child has been with you?
Yes.
Okay. Daycare is $800 a month. Okay, so what I'm going to do, when you're influencing, let me ask you a question. How much money are you getting off of that consistently?
Consistently, I would say maybe $2,000 a month.
$2,000 a month? And you haven't sent her anything?
I mean, I had books to pay for.
Right, so your books cost $2,000?
Yes.
Are you getting financial aid from school?
I have maxed out all my financial aid. I maxed out all my loans. I don't know what else to do. I'm doing what I can. Like I said, I'm doing what I can.
Have you ever considered moving from New York? I know it's expensive to live there.
No, I have a huge internship. Why would I? No.
Oh.
No.
Okay, so your internship is more important than raising your daughter?
No, it is not. But I am doing this for my daughter.
Oh, okay.
So
that's what you believe. That's fine.
that is what I know. I'm doing this for my daughter.
Well, what I know is you're getting ready to pay child support. So this is what we're going to do. Since you don't have any financial information on Tanner, we're going to set his child support at minimum wage. We're also going to set your child support at minimum wage, okay? I'm going to order that Tanner maintains the health insurance, and then I'm also going to have you reimburse half of that health insurance back to him. So, no, not reimburse half of it. You're going to reimburse the back pay, because I'm going to order you to pay back pay as well. She says.
And here we go. Let's talk numbers. The judge has ruled that both parents must pay child support based on minimum wage calculations. That comes out to $260 per month each. But here's the kicker. Mom also owes back pay for the last 6 months. She's officially on notice. No more dodging, no more excuses. Child support enforcement doesn't play around. They can garnish wages, seize tax refunds, and even suspend licenses if payments aren't made. This just got real. What do you think? Fair ruling or too lenient? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
She said 6 months. So Tanner is going to maintain the health insurance at 108, okay? There will be no reimbursement on that part of it, because what I'm going to do is have you pay monthly child support at minimum wage, which is $219, as well as back pay to grandmother. So $219 multiplied by the past 6 months, Tanner's portion is $657. Your portion is $657. That's to be paid at $50 per month. So each parent's child support obligation to grandmother is $269 per month.
Are you happy now?
No, are you happy now? I know I'm happy because you're finally supporting your child financially, and grandmother gets some assistance with paying this daycare.
Grandmother wanted a baby. She's grandmother.
And you know what?
This is your part.
And grandmother
so
is here. Grandmother's here because she also wanted some financial help. Is there anything further, ma'am?
No, we're done here.
Oh, obviously. Is there anything further?
No, thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
And that's a wrap on this case. Let's break it down. Mom tried to dodge financial responsibility while grandma stepped up, but the court saw right through it. Now, both parents are legally required to pay child support, and grandma is finally getting the help she deserves. This case is a wake-up call. If you have a child, you're financially responsible. No excuses, no loopholes. What do you think? Was the ruling fair? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love courtroom drama, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got even more shocking cases coming your way.